No me mires porque estoy grabando, me siento incómoda, no sé.
No que no tomas coffee? That's coffee.
To the camera, right? So everything I just said, I have to say it that way. Oh, I didn't know. It's okay, I don't.
Me too.
Nothing wrong with that. Look, you have the whole ass in your face. It's 9 a.m. and we're about to call Cynthia because we are going out on a little family thing. We're celebrating a birthday and the kids are going camping, and I decided I would just hang out with them for one day, and I'm gonna take Cynthia with me, so let's give her a call. Okay, she's not answering. She's not answering. I don't know why. She always has her phone on her. She doesn't answer. Freaking crackhead.
Your call?
She answered. Hello?
Hello?
Nina, I'm outside.
Since when?
Since like 9:01. So I've been here for a minute.
Oh,
Yeah. Are you ready?
yeah.
Alright, come on, little girl.
Since
Okay, so I finally picked up Cynthia. Aquí está. You want to say hi?
Hello.
This girl. Alright, so we stopped at Rayleigh's because we're about to just pick up some snacks in case we want anything. And we're also going to the bank because who knows if we're going to get charged for parking. I might just get cash back. Who knows?
What are you doing?
Girl, you know that makes noise into the camera, right? So everything I just said, I have to say it that way.
Oh, I didn't know.
It's okay. I don't even know where I was at. Alright, so we're going to go inside the store, pick up some snacks, and we also need to get cash back because I do not carry cash ever. So we have to be prepared for like the unexpected sometimes. But it looks like my sister's not ready yet. I think they're barely getting ready, so we have some time to spare. Nothing wrong with that. Look, you have the whole ass in your face.
What are you getting? What are you getting?
This car is taking too long, bro. Too long. Mira, that guy was there before us. No. The guy arrived the same time we did. Do I need to back up? There's a truck literally behind us right now. Dude, sir, I don't think you have a bigger family than me. Like, hurry it up. This guy really is taking his time. Look! Oh my god, no. This is terrible. This is terrible. Don't ever get behind a black vehicle. Me paso. Mira, he's still picking out his order. Oh my god, sir! I want to honk at him so bad. You just see his little hand out. Ah! Okay, what do you want, Cynthia? You better know what you want too.
I don't know what I want.
Oh my god.
What are you getting?
Yeah, so we just arrived and we're waiting on everybody to like hurry up because we're trying to pay to get in. And yeah, all the lines are like they're all taken up. There's 2 over there and then there's us. So it is what it is.
You ain't never had the bad one against you. Yo, bad bitch, daddy got a spank. My nigga flash out the pin, he might sink you. Stand though. Right with no spark.
Oh my god. You're having fun there?
Yeah. They let my shorty in the party with a Glock 10 poppin'. Yeah, bitch, I'm so poppin'. I got pills, I got keys, and you shot me. I said lean out the green, ain't no watch. Niggas lame, all you wanna do is love her. Listen.
These kids did me dirty. Look at this.
Thank you. Give me out.
You look cute. Are you gonna get on? What is going on? Bruh, you literally hopped on for no reason. Oh my god.
It's easy fucking up the summer. Sad hoes looking like what a bummer. She wanna suck my dick cause I'm funny. Niggas lame, all you wanna do is love.
No me mires porque estoy grabando, me siento incómoda en la sala.
¿No que no tomas coffee? That's coffee.
What?
Mommy, I need to put on
You can try it, but you can't have it.
So you're gonna get it worse suntan than
Bruh. So we got the wood over here. And then this is the view. Paletero la bola, bro. She likes to get dirty. Look at her. Chiquis. You got like, oh my god. She looks like the cows when they get off the floor. Hi, Chiquis. No. What about my arms? Me tienes que chequear.
Bro, this girl got sunscreen in my eye.
She put sunscreen on my back. Are you jealous? I got sunscreen on me and you don't.
I don't have some because I'm not going in there yet.
But either way, you need sunscreen.
No, I don't.
Okay, so we're officially ready to get in the water. I think we're the loudest ones out here because everyone else is hella quiet, and then there's us with a freaking speaker. No doubt that it's us at all.
Guys, wait. I think I swallowed a bug because when I went inside the bathroom, there was like this little bug, and I opened my mouth, but like I didn't realize. I don't know. I just think I swallowed. I just think I swallowed the bug. A bug. Yeah, guys.
Well, do you think you'll survive? Will you survive?
I'm pretty sure.
All right, she's gonna survive.
Wow, why is it up here?
We're missing the Y
No, you guys are missing it. You guys
in birthday. The toes. That's cute.
Sonia, come on.
Bro, I want to be like her when I grow up. What are you doing? No. All right, we're playing, what is this called again? We're playing cornhole. I don't know how to play this. This is my first time, but we're gonna figure it out.
If you land on the board, that's 10 points. If you make it to the hole, that's 15.
Okay,
You get 15 shots.
but you have to stand behind it or what? All right, go. Is it my turn? Damn it! You're having fun! Bro! Ah!
That still counts. That still counts.
No.
Where's the hammer at?
But I don't know. I think your sister has it.